Those creepy artworks, impaled on thorns and barbs, belong to a chilling artist known as the butcher bird. So picture this, a cute sparrow-sized bird that's actually nature's own Hannibal Lecter. This bird doesn't have sharp claws, so it got creative in the creepiest way possible. It uses its beak to turn thorns and barbed wire into a personal kebab station for its prey. We're talking bugs, lizards, even other birds. Gruesome, right? But also kinda genius. This way it can tear off pieces easily, and if it catches something poisonous, the toxins break down before dinner time. Talk about a bird that takes playing with your food to a whole new level ever seen. It's not a flower. It's a bug that's a master of disguise. Ever heard of the Orchid Mantis? Picture this, a bug that looks exactly like an orchid flower. I'm talking perfect petals and colors. However, it's all a trap. These sneaky bugs use their flowery looks to lure an unsuspecting prey. A deadly beauty. Some of them are even green ninja ones. Anyway, these amazing creatures hang out in Southeast Asian rainforests, but they're super rare. So if you ever see one in the wild, consider yourself lucky. Ever seen a bug with a built-in power drill? Meet the Acorn Weevil. This little brown beetle, no bigger than your thumb, has a secret weapon that'll blow your mind. Its snout. Unlike squirrels, who brute force acorns, this little guy's got finesse. Its snout, called a rostrum, is like a high-tech drill. Watch it go. It's not just munching, it's house hunting. Here's the kicker. Mom Weevil drills a hole, lays an egg inside, and boom! Baby Weevil's got an all-you-can-eat buffet and a cozy home. Talk about meal prep. As Junior grows, it turns the acorn into a hollow crib. When it's time to adult, it busts out and goes underground for a glow-up. Isn't nature wild? These tiny engineers are out here living their best lives, one acorn at a time. Next time you see an acorn, remember, it might be a weevil's dream home.
With this treasure, I summon Maharaga.
Hey, wrong summon, Megumi. This is a Brazilian treehopper, not Maharaga. It's the creature with the world's most unique cursed headwear in the entire animal kingdom. Don't think this wheel spin helps it fly like a helicopter. It's actually a cursed technique that helps them turn to adapt when in danger. See those crazy extensions? They called pronotum are for hunting and hiding from predators by looking like tree galls. Talk about a perfect environmental adaptation. These little guys fly with wings and also have a second cursed technique called superpowered legs. When activated, it supercharges their legs to spring away from any hungry beaks. If you think this Maharaga build insect is super cool, hit subscribe to avoid getting cursed. Meet the Dalmatian Pelican, one of the biggest birds in the world. Picture this, wings spanning over 10 feet and a beak that's nearly 18 inches long. It's like a flying dinosaur, I swear. Don't worry though, these big boys are actually pretty chill. They've never been caught picking fights with humans. In fact, they're kinda shy and prefer to keep their distance from us. They even share their fishing grounds with other birds. But don't let that fool you. Mess with their nests or their young and you'll see a whole different side of these feathered giants. Imagine you getting slammed by a giant ball of elephant poop, and you're like, what the heck are these guys gonna do with elephant dung? Well, meet the ultimate delivery dudes of the animal kingdom, Dung Beetle. First things first, every day these delivery guys hang around waiting for their special delivery to drop. Then these dudes take this smelly stuff and roll it up into balls and set off on an epic journey to deliver their precious cargo. But here's the kicker. Guess what their customers do with balls? Yep, they eat them. You heard right. Elephant dung is their 5-star meal. Now, before you go, ew, these tiny turd rollers are actually eco-heroes. They break down animal waste, improve soil quality, and fight pollution. Who knew poop could be so important? Ever heard of the Reticulated Python? This bad boy is like the Godzilla of snakes. Picture this, a snake longer than a giraffe is tall, just chilling in the jungles of Southeast Asia. But don't worry, they're not into humans. They prefer a nice deer dinner. Now don't let their size fool you. These sneaky serpents are masters of hide and seek. Thanks to their fancy diamond patterns, these slithery giants are secret swimmers. They've been caught hitchhiking on boats, showing up in places they shouldn't be. Imagine unpacking your suitcase and finding one of these guys. They've been known to chow down on deer and even crocs. But don't worry, they're not into human snacks. So next time you're in Southeast Asia, keep an eye out for these slithery giants. Just don't try to give them a hug, okay? Holy Is that a spider or a mini monster? Guys, meet the Huntsman Spider, nature's 8-legged giant. These bad boys are part of the Sporacity family, with over 13 species that'll make your skin crawl. Well, these speed demons are basically the Usain Bolt of the spider world. They're also called giant crab spiders, cause, well, just look at them. You'll find these creepy crawlers chilling in warm spots worldwide, from down under to Africa, Asia, and even in the Americas. See how this spider is shedding its skin? It's giving me the creeps. Now hold on to your hat. The biggest of the bunch, the giant huntsman, can stretch up to a foot long. Yeah, you heard that right. Found in Laos, it's like the Godzilla of spiders. But don't freak out. These giants might look scary, but they're actually pretty chill with humans. Sure, they're venomous, but their bite is more like a bee sting. They're too busy chowing down on insects, small mammals, lizards, and frogs to bother with us. Did you like Huntsman Spider? Don't answer that.